We've talked a lot about distracted driving, much of it because public officials and law enforcement have identified it as such a danger on our roads. Now, however, police officers are under scrutiny for driving while distracted. If you've looked at the electronics inside the average police cruiser, then you know what's competing for their attention along with the road. And it has its grave dangers. Fair warning, some of them you're about to see in graphic fashion. Our report tonight from NBC's Tom Costello.
Near Fort Worth, dash cam video of a police officer running a red light. And the crash that injured the other driver. The officer admitted he'd been looking at his computer. In Austin, another officer slammed right into a motorcyclist.
Just stay still, please, sir. Please.
The officer told his supervisor he'd been typing on his computer.
Putting some notes in, and I just didn't pay attention to the stop sign.
While 39 states and D.C. now ban texting while driving, police are generally exempted. Yet from fender benders to fatal accidents, distracted cops have gotten the blame. In Dallas, NBC5 investigative reporter Scott Friedman spent months digging through accident files.
And we found that these crashes involving distracted police officers are happening at a rate of about 2 or 3 a month in Texas.
A recent study in Minnesota found 17% of police accidents there involve distracted officers. And a modern police car has a lot of distractions. There's the radio, a cell phone, of course, with email. There's a computer that constantly updates calls, sends and receives instant messages. And there's a camera watching everything.
Charlie 136, the control number.
In Fort Wayne, Indiana, where police fender benders have been on the rise.
It's dangerous. So have I had close calls? I have, and I've been lucky.
The chief has decided it's all too much.
I felt we were really setting officers up by putting all this technology in a car and expecting them not to use that while they're moving.
He's ordered all 360 cars to be retrofitted with a system that freezes the computer keys once the car exceeds 15 miles per hour.
I can't change the screen. It doesn't function.
Other departments are ordering officers to pull over before using computers.
Every police department who says they don't have a problem with driving, distracted driving, or crashes has their head in sand.
The challenge, avoiding the very distractions that come with modern policing.
Well, I'm clear.
Tom Costello, NBC News, Washington.
When we come back tonight, the news today about early risers and late sleepers.